Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Prince again. So today's video I want to show you how to create a Facebook Business Manager, what it is Facebook Business Manager, the benefit of Facebook Business Manager, how to set it up step by step, adding the Facebook page, ads account, and adding peoples and partners. So watch the video until the end and let's begin. So what is a Facebook Business Manager? A Facebook Business Manager is a tool that helps advertisers to integrate Facebook marketing effort across their business and with external partners. You can use this free platform to learn and track your advertisement, manage assets such as your pages, the ads account, and even adding an agency or marketing partner to help you manage your business. You can do more stuff in just one dashboard. That is how this tool is going to help you. Let us see the many benefits of this business manager. You can do the management of multiple pages and the ad account from one dashboard. Securely share and control access to the ad account, pages, and ad assets on your Facebook. You can easily add or remove employees and agencies to your account. You can access variable pixel data. Even the Facebook support will refer to the business manager when there is the troubleshooting issues. You can easily manage the billing details and see spend threshold. So you are going to benefit many more stuff from this business manager. So I'm gonna explain some that are important. So before we start creating the Facebook Business Manager, just open the new tab and you have to type in business.facebook.com and you'll be landed on this page for the Facebook Business Manager tool. So before you have to log in your Facebook account first, and then you have to click on the create button. I'm going to not do it right now because I already have an account. Just you create an account, and I want to explain on the next step after creating an account. And let's begin. After creating the business manager, they will ask you to verify the email address that you have submitted, and I suggest you to verify it first before you go more setup. So I'm going to pause the video too and go to verify the email first and then come back. Alright, so now that I verified the email address, and here I'm in my the business settings. So you see that there's many features that are going to help you, like people's, the partners, the pages, the ad account, the business asset groups, the apps, Instagram accounts. Many features there that are going to help you do the management in one dashboard. So I'll be explaining some that are most important to your business, and you are going to start by adding the Facebook page. So click on the Facebook page. See that there is no page added yet, and to add it you have to click on the add button, and there are options there like adding the page, request access to the Facebook page, or create the new page. So the first one works when you are the owner of that Facebook page, you are the admin of that Facebook page, and you need to add it to your Facebook Business Manager. And the second one works when you to access to someone's account that you are not admin for. You need to request access to that Facebook page, and the admin will confirm you or will approve you to have access to that Facebook page. So for this video we are going to do the add Facebook page that we are the admin for. So there's the search bar. You have to just you have to search for your Facebook page, and you have to choose it. Then wait for a few seconds to load. Then you have to click on the add button and wait for a few seconds. So Now that you have added your Facebook page, and the second one, you are going to add the add account. Click on the add account, and you have to click on the add account. You see that there's options there like adding another account. Yeah, it will request access to another account, or you can even create the new account. So now that we are going to create the new account, the new add account, yeah, you have to name your add account, then the time zone, the time zone, then the currency, yeah, then click next button. They will ask you if this account is going to be your business or another business. Is this other account credit for your business, or it is for your client? So I'm going to choose for my business, then click the create button. So the next step is that you are going to add the people and set the permissions to have access to the ad account that you have created. Give them the access to view the insight, to the management and more. Then click add and then OK. Close. So after creating the ad account, and next step is to see how to add the peoples or the teams, collaborators who are going to help you do the management on your Facebook business. Yeah, the people that you need to give the access to your Facebook business. So click on the peoples tab, and then you see the option of adding people. Click on it, and in here you can give access to peoples as employees or as admin access. Yeah, you have to just invite them by email. So let me type in this email. So as you see here, the button for employees will be automatically, but for the admin access, you have to just add it by yourself, because for the admin access, he's going to access everything, every settings, every tool that is on your Facebook business manager. So if you need him to access everything, you just give him the admin access, or you have to give him the employee access only. So I'm going to give him the admin access, then click next. So the next step is to choose which asset you are going to give the admin access for. For example, like on the Facebook page, yeah, you select the Facebook page and then the Facebook page name. Then if your admin is going to manage the jobs, is going to view the earnings or the insight, everything on your Facebook page, yeah, you just have to give him access using this button here. So then I will also need the admin to have access to the ad account. Then I will select the name of the ad account, then give him access, yeah, by clicking on this button here. Then if you also have the catalog, it will appear here, so you can select it and give him access to it if you want, or also for the Facebook app. But so I'm just going to invite him by giving him only this. Okay, then I will click the invite button and wait for a few seconds to load. So an invitation was sent, and so after that you see that the invitation is pending, and the admin will need to confirm the email so that he can have access to the business manager and all the assets that you gave him. So and that's it. So for the people, and you see that there's option to add the partners. You can also add some partners here. They might also have the business manager. Yeah, you can do that instead of instead of inviting people, you can just choose which one you are going to use. Yeah, so the next step is that you are going to add the payment. So how to add the payment so you can pay for your advertisement. Yeah, just click on the add payment button and the pop-up window will come and you have to fill in your payment information. So I'm not going to do that right now. Yes, the next step is that you are going to see how to add your Facebook pixel, and you have to click on this button here, or even you can just go to data source, the pixel button, and you have to add your Facebook pixel here. Click on the add button and you have to choose the pixel name, the website, and then go step by step. So I'm going to not to do that right now. I will just make another video of how to do that. So and that's it for guys, and I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified for more videos like this, and let's meet in the next video.